How are you, students? I'm fine. Today, we are going to start English lesson for grade 7, produced by Oromia Education Bureau in collaboration with UNICEF and OBN. Lesson topic, Comparatives and Superlatives. Prepared by Gabi Misha. Edited by Tariku Shumi. Presented by Gabi Misha. Lesson 1. Comparatives and Superlatives. Have you heard about degrees of comparison? 3 degrees of comparison. Positive degree, meaning equal things compared. Comparative degree, 2 different things compared. Superlative degree, more than 2 things compared, or 1 compared with many. Today we look at comparative degree used in adjectives and superlative degree used in adjectives. The lesson objective is therefore to use comparatives and superlatives appropriately. Dear student, listen, paying attention to the underlined comparative or superlative adjectives as I read out the sentences. Also look at the pictures and relate them to the sentences. Sentence 1. Elephant is bigger than lion. Look at the tiger, the lion, the elephant in the pictures. Which one is the big animal? All are big, but they are different. 2. Apple is more expensive than orange. Look at the pictures of apple. 1 kilogram apple is 90 birr. 1 kilogram orange is 50 birr. And 1 kilogram banana is 25 birr. They were cheap, now they are expensive. Which one is more expensive or most expensive? Or which one is cheaper? Sentence 3. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Look at the picture. Cheetah, zebra, rhino, elephant, buffalo, lion, tiger, antelope, giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest, like eucalyptus tree is the tallest tree. Okay, look at sentence 4. Coronavirus is the most dangerous disease. Look at the image of coronavirus. It is the fastest killing, most dangerous disease these days. Okay, as you have seen, the comparative degree with the word bigger, taller, shorter is different from the superlative more expensive, more interesting, more challenging, more difficult, more beautiful. And the tallest, the biggest, the hottest, the hardest, etc. are still different forms for superlative. The other superlative form is the most dangerous, the most beautiful, the most attractive, the most interesting. You can see now and fill in the blanks looking at the given examples of comparative adjectives, superlative adjectives in the chart. Adjective, base form is fat and comparative form is fatter. Superlative is fattest. Long, you are going to add the comparative form for long, for strong, and the superlative form for the same adjectives. look at the others that take more or less. More difficult, less difficult, for example. Example, difficult has comparative, two things compared. We say this is more difficult than that, or this is the most difficult of all. How about expensive? Interesting. Please write the comparative form and the superlative form for these adjectives. Before you use them in sentences, you need to try separately. Good, bad, many. Good has different comparative form. We don't say gooder this time. For these few words, good, bad, many, much, we have irregular or changing forms. Good has better for comparative and best for superlative. Bad, worse, worst. Many, more, most. Much, more, most. These are few examples, and there are hundreds of examples. You think about more examples of similar forms. The answer to the blank spaces. Check your answers. I hope you are right. Fat, fatter, fattest was given. Long, longer, longest could be your answer. Strong, stronger, strongest could be your answer. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Many, more, most.